Ministy Festival. The Ministy Festival is hosted in turns by Da Beng and Ta Fu Ye. A Kuba, gathering place for tribal males, is the educational, social, political, and spiritual center of the Tsao tribe. Fona Festival. The Fona Festival is a symbol of sacred purity and the energy of life. It is a wish for the everlasting prosperity of the Tsao tribe. Tana Iku Valley. This valley is known throughout Taiwan as home to a successful project to restock the valley rivers with the Yosku Aolu fish. Chashan. Chashan is home to more than 70 pavilions, symbolizing the Tsao culture of sharing. Tsao food culture. Innovative recipes for today. Curry ebi shrimp. Roasted boar meat. Grilled kuhua fish. Bamboo cooked rice with ground pork and pumpkin. Experience the flavor of Tsao cuisine. Fine handicrafts. The Tsao are famed for their traditional costumes, bamboo weaving, rattan weaving, and wood carving inspired by the beauty of nature.